What's up, guys? Coming at you live with the brand new iPhone. I decided to upgrade. I had my iPhone 7 for about 4 years. Look at her. Look how cute she was. She was so cute. But we on that 11 status now, baby. Enjoying it. It's been pretty nice. Be ready for some TikToks to come out soon. They're going to be viral. So enjoy. Anyways, here we go. The warm up. You guys should be able to do the majority of this. Okay, so again, whenever I post a video, if it's not notes, I expect you guys to try it on your own, do the best you can, and then if you want to check through the videos, that's cool. So, my best advice: do this first by yourself, just to see what you know, and then you can check through with me. Okay. Other than that, let's do this. So, remember, a circle that has a central angle, okay, you got to think center, right? Central and center are very similar. So a central angle would be this type of angle, okay? That's going through the center, bouncing off of it, and there we have it, okay? Versus an inscribed angle, okay? That's an angle that bounces off the side, okay? So I'll do a little mark there, okay? So this angle bounces off a side of a circle. It's never going to be anywhere else other than on the side, anywhere like that, okay? So those would be beautiful. Okay, oh my God, I'm going to burp again. Okay, find the circumference of a circle with these things. So remember, circumference of a circle is like the perimeter around, I think the crust around a pizza, okay? So if I want to find the circumference, remember, that's the formula, 2 pi r, okay? 2 pi times the radius, okay? So just remember, whenever you're trying to find circumference or area or anything like that, you need the radius. So luckily, I give it to you right here. So the circumference is 2 times pi times 7, okay? Which would make 14 pi the circumference, okay? So again, this is best case scenario. This is cash money, okay? If I give you the radius, you're set, okay? But in the case where I don't give you the radius, that makes it a little more confusing. So just remember, if I want circumference, I need this. That doesn't give me it, so I have to find it. Remember, the formula for area is pi r squared, okay? There's only two big formulas you got to remember, and they're both baby little ones. So we set up our equation, and then this will help us find r. Well, it's a pretty nice equation because if r squared equals 81, then r is 9. But remember, that's not what we're trying to find. We need this, but now we could go to using circumference formula. So now that we know that r is 9, we have 2 times pi times 9, which is 18 pi. Okay, and then remember, you can kind of jump over and multiply. That's all cool with me. And you've got your answer. All right. How are you guys? Miss you guys. Let's see. What do I have to show you today? I'm trying to find my minion of the day. I'll see if I can find one in a little bit. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, circle P, and they want us to find the measure of arc AB. Okay, so arc AB is this here. All right, so if I'm finding the measure of arc AB, right, that's in degrees. We're just trying to find how many degrees is this curve. Well, very nice and easy. If the central angle is 72, that's the same as the degree of the arc. So this is also 72 degrees. Cash money. Okay, best case scenario. But worst case scenario is now we're going to ramp it up, and we want the length of arc AB. Okay, so what they're asking for here is the arc length. So this was based off of what we did in day 3, where we found area of sector, which is one thing we'll do in a little bit, and then we found arc length. So again, that's like literally if you took a measuring stick or measuring thing and tried to see how long this is, like in how many feet, inches, units, okay? So it's just measuring the crust around a pizza, all right? So what we're gonna do to find that is we're gonna use our formula. So to find the length of AB, the arc, we're trying to find a fraction of the circumference. Okay, I just want a piece of the full circumference, right? Because circumference is the measurement around a circle. So let's find that. We know circumference is 2 pi r, okay? And the fraction we're looking for here is the amount out of the total, the amount we have out of the total. Well, we have 72 degrees out of the total 360 degrees, okay? So you have a piece of the whole. If you simplify this by doing math frac or working in the calculator, that's 1/5. And then we have 2 times pi times the radius is 9. So we basically have 1/5 of 18 pi. And again, this doesn't simplify really nicely. So think, whenever I multiply a fraction with a normal integer number, the tops multiply, the bottoms also multiply. So it's like 1/5 times 18 over 1. So it's 18 over 5 pi. Beautiful. Okay. Hopefully you guys want to take the test? Okay, let's get the test out. Where's the test at? Oh my god, I'm just kidding. Okay. Beautiful. There's number 3. Let's go to the back. To the back. All right. Again, make sure you're doing this on your own. Don't copy me. Do it on your own. Then check through with me. But let's see this one. So this one says, find the area of the shaded sector. So remember, this is the area of sector. So this is me saying, okay, how many square inches, feet, units is this actual piece of pizza? I want to know like how much content there is. That's what area will be for this problem. So remember, to find the area of a sector, we want a fraction of the total area. I just want a piece of it, okay? So area formula is pi r squared, which we already know. But the fraction here is where you gotta be careful. It is not 300. Don't be the bozo who puts 300 and looks like a dingleberry, because 300 is the rest of the pizza. So that means that if a whole circle is 360 and that's 300, then this piece has a central angle of 60. Okay? So make sure we use 60 out of 360 because we want the piece of the whole. All right? And then let's keep simplifying. This is 1/6. We have pi times our radius is 12 squared. So we want 1/6 times 144 pi. So let's get to my handy dandy calculator. That's 24. 24 pi. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. That is the area of the sector. All right. Yoinks. There we go. Beautiful. Okay. Last but not least, let's get to the fun part. This is almost like working backwards. No, not really. Is it? I don't know. Let's see. Oh, this is beautiful. Okay. Look what they're doing. They're giving me the length. This is the arc length. Arc length. So you got to know your formulas here because now they're telling me, yo, homie, this is 2 pi. This is 2 pi. Now find the radius of the circle. Well, holy crap. We have to figure out how we could do that. So if I'm working with arc length, remember, arc length, find arc length. That is a fraction times the circumference. Okay? And that will equal whatever the arc length is. That's what we've been doing. We did that on number 3, I think. Okay? A fraction of the circumference is the arc length. So let's look what we have. We can figure out the fraction. We have 20 out of 360. Okay? Circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. All right? And then the arc length is 2 pi. That's what they gave us. All right? So now we could solve this, find the problem, and we'll get our answer. So here's the beautiful thing. 2 pi and 2 pi divide away. They both divide away from each other. If I divide both sides by 2 pi, This goes away. This side becomes 1. So we have 1 over 18r equals 1. Right? And again, that's because 2 pi's cancel out. Right? So if we just do a little algebra skills here, multiply both sides by 18, the radius is 18. All right? Hope you guys enjoyed. If you are lucky enough to watch till the end of the video, you get to see the minion of the day. It's Chaboy, Captain America. Look at this. Look at that. That's freaking gorgeous. Look at that. Captain America. All right. Obviously more to come. I'm trying my best to see if I have enough for every single day. This will be very interesting. I might have to be making some Amazon purchases. All right. Hope you enjoyed the video. There's your warm-up. Classwork video will be coming up soon. Peace.